Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2022 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. This vehicle has less than 4,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control electronic, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, tailgate step, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.